Dear friends, welcome to my channel, Mathematics and Statistics Clinic, a channel dedicated for the service related to teaching and learning activities in mathematics and statistics. This is Ian Ravi Chatri here, a career educator. People love to address me as Dr. K. We are one step ahead in the process of learning math. With the prior knowledge of counting, today we shall learn addition of numbers, starting with one-digit numbers. Let's begin. Here on the screen, we have two numbers, 6 and 2 for addition. That is, we are trying to find out what is the sum of 6 plus 2. This is the symbol of addition. We shall use our previous knowledge of counting to find the sum of these two numbers. Here, we shall count the balls equal to the first number and also count the balls equal to second number. Let's count. First, we count balls equal to the first number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last count is 6. We continue counting balls equal to the second number from this last count 6. 7, 8. The last count 8 is the answer. That is, the total count of all the balls on this screen is the sum of 6 and 2. In mathematical notation, here 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Let's repeat the same process with three numbers. Here on this screen, we have three numbers, 6, 4, and 1 for addition. That is, we are trying to find what is the sum of 6 plus 4 plus 1. Here, we shall count balls equal to the first number, balls equal to the second number, and balls equal to third number. The total count of all the balls on this screen is the sum of these numbers. Let's count. First, count balls equal to the first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last count is 6. We shall continue counting balls equal to second number starting from the last count 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the last count. We shall continue counting balls equal to third number from the last count, 11. The last count, 11, is the answer. That is, the total count of all the balls on the screen is the sum of number 6, 4, and 1. In mathematical notation, this is 6 plus 4 plus 1 equals 11. Similarly, let us proceed to add four numbers. Here on the screen, we have four numbers 9, 6, 5, 0 for addition. That is, we are trying to find out what is the sum of 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 0. Here we count balls equal to first number, balls equal to second number, balls equal to third number, and balls equal to fourth number. Since fourth number is 0, there is no balls for fourth number. Let's count. First, count balls equal to first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The last count is 9. Continue counting balls equal to second number starting from this last count 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The last count is 15. Continue counting balls equal to third number 5 starting from the last count 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is the last count. Since there is no balls for this number 0, therefore last count 20 is the answer. Mathematically, this is 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 0 equals 20. For more practice, I'll suggest you visit my website www.teachyoumaths.com/addition. This is my website page. Click arithmetic, addition, simple addition. Here, click next problem button to refresh the page. On the display screen, we have one digit addition demo of two numbers 5 and 9, along with balls for each number. The total count 14 of all the balls is the sum of these two numbers 5 and 9. Switch the selection method to practice. Here on the display screen, we have an addition problem of two numbers without the balls for practice. Figure out the balls. You can use your fingers as an alternative resources. Count all of them and enter your answer 13 in this text box. Click answer button to check your answer, correct answer. Switch the selection method and select free from this drop down menu. Here on the display screen, we have a addition demo of three numbers 6, 7, 5 along with balls for each number. The total count 18 of all the balls is the sum of the numbers 6, 7 and 5. Switch the selection method to practice. Here we have a problem of three numbers without balls for practice. Work on it and enter your answer here in this text box. Check the answer. If you enter wrong answer, it flags the wrong answer and prints the correct one. Here, your answer 15 is wrong. The correct answer is 17. Switch the selection practice method and select 4 from this drop-down menu. On the display screen, we have an addition demo of 4 numbers 9, 6, 3 and 7 along with the balls at the side of each number. The total count 25 of all the balls is the sum of these numbers 9, 6, 3 and 7. This is the selection method to practice. We have an addition problem of 4 numbers without balls for practice. Figure out the balls. You can use your fingers as an alternative resource as well. Count all of them and enter your answer here in this text box 20 and check your answer, correct answer. Continue practicing these problems until you are confident in working with one digit addition. The ultimate goal of this creation is to make this learning opportunity accessible to everyone. Please share widely.